On June 22, 2024, panic gripped Masvingo, Zimbabwe. A heavily guarded military convoy rolled through town in the dead of night, sparking fears of a potential coup. The convoy entered Zimbabwe via Beitbridge border post. Shrouded in secrecy and conflicting explanations, government and military officials can't seem to agree on its purpose, adding to the growing tension. Eyewitnesses saw military police at every intersection along Robert Mugabe Avenue, further igniting speculation. Sources within the military suggest President Emerson Mnangagwa is on high alert. Allegations of high-level corruption within the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission and other public institutions are fueling fears of civil unrest. Is the convoy carrying military assistance from Russia? Officials say one thing, then another. The Zimbabwean public is left in a state of unease, wary of the military's next move and what it means for the nation's stability. Stay tuned, Zimbabwe. The situation is developing and the stakes are high. Feel free to leave your comments down below so we can continue the conversation. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.